Right, in this video we are going to look, this is task number 8.2, supplier payments. Right, again we are going to look at it, supplier payment, PNR. Right, so one for payment. So it is from NatWest. We are paying to Zoom Fuels. Right, it's a payment reference number 100 and 301. So payment reference number 100-301. We are paying on 28th of June 2024. We are paying to Zoom Fuels, and the amount that we are paying 1,200. And we have to make sure that the supplier that we are paying against to the invoice number 8871, suppliers Zooms. Next one, again we are making a payment. This time we are making a payment 10th of June 2024. We have our payment reference number 100-302 is automatically creating. The date is 30th of June 2024. And the Zoom Fuel, we are paying this to Quick Fix Garage. We are paying £480, and it's a payment, it's no VAT, supplier Quick Fix. Next one, against the payment P, and this is on payment reference number 100-305, and the date is 31st of July 2024. And again we are paying this one for Quick, and we also need to enter the invoice number we are paying against to. The invoice number we are paying against to 5542 and 360, no VAT. Next payment, the last one that we are going to do it, P for payment, and it's 100306. This time we are paying on 28th of August 2024. We are paying to Zoom Fuels, and the payment amount is we also always need to put that invoice reference number, which invoice we are paying against to 8872, and now this one, the amount is 1,500. It's suppliers, no VAT, Zoom. And let me correct this one also, the invoice number, it is 5541. Right, NatWest, this is fine, payment is okay, done, save. Right, thank you for watching.